Welcome. This video is designed as a brief overview and tutorial of the NAACCR 2012 Call for Data. The page that you see now is the login page for the NAACCR Call for Data. You will come to this page by a link that is sent to you via email or by a link from the Call for Data page under the Data and Publications section of the NAACCR website. The username and password that you will use to log into the Call for Data are your NAACCR username and password. The username is your primary email address. If you have forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot My Password link to have it emailed to you. If you do not currently have an account in NAACCR, you can click on the Register link to fill out the form to set one up. Once you've completed this, you'll need to contact the NAACCR office so that your account can be linked to your organization. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main Call for Data page. This page gives information on the organization you are submitting on behalf of, the submission forms that you will need to fill out, a link to submit your data file to IMS, the tools necessary for the NAACCR Call for Data, the associated documents for the NAACCR Call for Data, and information on how to contact the NAACCR office if you have any questions about the process or the Call for Data website. In the list of forms for the Call for Data, when you first log in, you will see two forms, the General Information Form and the Registry Research Information Database. The Registry Research Information Database is not required for your submission for the Call for Data, but is recommended. To begin, click on the General Information Form. This form asks questions about your Call for Data submission, such as what purposes you are submitting your data for, the first year included in your CINA dataset if you're submitting for CINA, the number of records in your CINA and certification submissions, and whether or not death clearance was performed prior to 1995. For any of the forms on this site, if you forget to fill out any of the required fields and attempt to submit the form, a red box will be drawn around each of the required fields. Once you've submitted the General Information Form, the rest of the Call for Data forms will become available. You can click on the form names to fill out one of the forms, but if you go to a form and are not ready to complete it, you can click the Return to Forms menu link in the upper right-hand corner. Once you have completed a form, it will still be editable until the cutoff date. Please note that once you have submitted the General Information Form, the first two questions will no longer be editable. Once you've submitted each form, if you wish to print them, you can do so by clicking the icon next to each form name. This will bring you to a printable version of the form with a button in the upper left that allows you to print it. To return to the form listing, click the Returns to Forms menu button. Once you have completed your Call for Data submission, click the Log Out button in the upper right of the window. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the 2012 NAACCR Call for Data.